Reggae Facts. Reggae was added as a category to the Grammy Awards in 1984. The nominees: Capture Life by Peter Tosh, Stepping Out by Steel Pulse, Reggae Nights by Jimmy Cliff, Anthem by Black Uhuru, and King Yellow Man by Yellow Man. Reggae's first Grammy Award was won by Black Uhuru, presented at the 27th staging of the awards in February 1985. Yellow Man was the first DJ nominated for a Grammy. Judy Mott, she was the first woman nominated for a Grammy in the reggae category for her album Working Wonders in 1986. In 1992, Shabba Ranks became the first DJ to win a Grammy Award with his album As Raw as Ever. The next year, he won again with his album Naked. The first female to win a Grammy in the reggae category was Coffee in 2020 for her EP Rapture, the first EP to win a Grammy Award. The first non-Jamaican reggae act to win a Grammy Award was Soulja in 2022 with their album Beauty in the Silence. Reggae Facts was brought to you with the kind support of the Jamaica Association of Composers, Authors and Publishers, JCAP, valuing your musical creativity.